everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a what I eat in a day video for you. I'm currently on a fitness journey, so I'm going to be making vegan meals. All these meals are healthy and easy to make, so if you're interested in seeing what I make, then keep watching. So for breakfast, I'm starting out with 1 cup of black spearmint tea, and I added 2 teaspoons of unfiltered apple cider vinegar. About 30 minutes later, I had a chocolate meal replacement. I added 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and this is the meal replacement that I use. So I'm just going to add 1 scoop and then 1 1/2 of a frozen banana. So for snack, I'm going to make some tortillas in the oven. I'm just going to slice it down the middle, well, cut it down the middle, and then on the other side to make little tortilla chips. Now I'm just going to squeeze some lemon juice on the top. You can use lime juice as well. This is just so that the sea salt will stick to the top. Now I put this in the oven at 325 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you watch them because they do burn very quickly. While that's cooking, I decided to make a simple chocolate sauce. It's just 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And I also added about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I ate this with some raw organic green apples. And when I was done with the apples, I decided to finish the sauce off with some strawberries. So I decided to eat some of these tortilla chips with this fire roasted tomato salsa I got from Trader Joe's. I got it because it said no salt added. So it wasn't as flavorful as the typical salsa that I'm used to, but it was still pretty good. It had more of a natural flavor to it. I liked it. My mom didn't really care for it, but I thought it was okay. So for dinner, I'm going to stir fry some veggies. I'm going to eat it with some veggie dumplings and some Hokkien noodles. I added some low sodium soy sauce. And some teriyaki sauce that I got from Target. I like this brand because it doesn't have high fructose corn syrup in it. A little bit of pepper and garlic powder. I got these veggie dumplings from Trader Joe's. They're very easy to make. I just add a little bit of water in the pan and I steam them until they get soft. I'm using these Hokkien noodles that I got from the grocery store. They're already cooked, so they're very easy to make. You just cook them down for 2 minutes. I added a little bit of low sodium soy sauce, a little bit of this orange sauce, just a drizzle, and some sriracha. Added some black pepper, and at the end, add about a half teaspoon of crushed garlic. Dumplings with this gyoza sauce that I got from Trader Joe's, and it goes really well with it. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.